Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Motorola Moto G86 Power. Alright, so all you need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. It is really easy. Tap both buttons at the same time, and as you can see, the power menu appeared. Now simply tap on the restart. As you can see, the process has started, and now the screen has been turned off. Same thing with our device, and within a second the device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Also, I will tell you that performing a simple reboot from time to time is good for your device health and performance, because during that process the phone rests, we can say it in that way, and also during that process the RAM gets freed up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.